Can you believe, to get that out, you have to remove 496 screws to remove 4 more screws to switch this door switch out. Out of what? Honda. It's so cheap it won't even tell me. HRV. So, let's begin. So, with this guy, pop this door out. See? And pop out in our hands. This little cable, clip. Pop it out. This guy. Also, down in here. See? Pull it out. Technically, it came out. Didn't have to, all the way. But either way, I'll put it in. Again. Clip. Clip. Pops out. Revealing 1 screw. And 2 screws. And the 3rd one in the 2nd arm. Pull this guy off just for safe measures. And let's pull. See if this guy comes off. I always like going in the corner, as always. So let's do it. Ta-da! All clips. Some stayed as usual. Right there. Let's unplug this guy. Get this guy out of the way. And that's gonna be the rest of the journey. Get this door panel off. So let's get this guy up. Come on. Squeeze and pull. Squeeze and pull. And there you have it. She's over there. Let's get the rest of these guys out so we can prepare to put it right back on. So I don't know if I had to remove all of them, but it sure as hell looked like it. So we're trying to get this door switch out. Now, lovely of Honda that they hid the screw just enough where you gotta do that. See? And you might as well, because you probably end up replacing this as well, which is the mirrors. But let's see if I actually needed to do all that, because it really looks like you have to. You see? Let's take it apart. Yep, that's how you do it. Now, as far as removing this trim panel, this looks like it'll come together, but I bet you if you remove these 2, your mirrors are going to be popping out too. So let's do that to finish it off. Yep, that's how you do it. Now, as far as this again, I don't know, man. I don't think this pops off. I wouldn't even bother. But you're gonna buy the whole piece anyway. So just put new one in. Obviously, it only goes one way, not that way. This way. Put your screws back, and we'll show you the end product. Like we were never here. Now, let's put this back and I'll show you how many screws are actually in this spot. Yep, 492 screws just to get that door panel off. I mean, the door switch out. So let's put it back and show you that we were never here. Yep, we were never here. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.